Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I want to show you today is how to realistically create light rays within Adobe Photoshop. Once you watch this tutorial, you'll be like, oh my God, I can't believe how easy this is. But as you can see, it's a really cool effect that you can apply to your imagery. And we're here today to show you the exact steps that you need to take to create such effect. Okay, so I'm just going to remove that top layer here like so and start off with our base image. Now, first of all, what I need to do is I need to make the exposure of this image darker. So what I'm going to come through is apply an adjustment layer of exposure. I'm just going to manipulate the exposure element here now. As you can see, now we're getting a sort of real darker look to that image. Maybe just affect the gamma correction there as well a little bit. Like so. Wonderful. Now, when we use adjustment layers, they're automatically applied with a layer mask. Okay, so with that layer mask highlighted, I'm now going to come through with our polygonal lasso tool, and I'm just going to click, create shapes like so. Let's do another one here, like so. Okay, so I need to now fill these selections with the color black. There is a shortcut to do that, which is Shift Backspace, which will bring up your fill options. And you can use the color black here and press OK. I want to now deselect. On the Mac, it's a Command D, and on Windows, it's Control D to deselect. Now, we've created them light rays, but it doesn't look really realistic. Okay, they're too sharp. So with that layer, what I'm now going to do is come to Filter, Blur, Box Blur. Okay, so you can manipulate the radius here depending on how high or how low you would like to take it. I would say around 130 would be good for our effect here. And then if I just simply press OK, as you can see, really simple, but quite a cool effect. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, take a look at our Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Some really interesting information on there. Guys, there are videos coming out on a weekly basis, so please take a look and stay tuned. If not, thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.